the second problem. Second one, f of x is equals to, it is 2x minus, it is f of x is equals to minus of x minus 1 the whole square plus 10. I say aim of explanation, square of a number is positive, but outside minus. Therefore, this gives a negative number, and this is plus 10. Therefore, so here it is, as this x minus 1 the whole square value keeps on increases, then what happens? So there will be what? So the value of this function decreases. Why decreases? It is minus, no? Suppose it is x minus 1 the whole square is 1, outside minus 1. Minus 1 plus 10, how much it is? 9. Suppose x minus 1 the whole square is 2. Then it is minus 2 plus 10, that's equals to 8. As x minus 1 the whole square is minus, it is 3. Minus of 3. Suppose x minus 1 the whole square value is 3. Then minus outside, minus 3 then it is. So suppose x minus 1 is root 3. Root 3 the whole square is what? 3. Then it is minus 3. Minus is then outside. Minus 3 plus 10 is what? It is 7. Like that. Look here. Keeps on the what it is. Suppose x minus 1 the whole square is 0. Suppose x is 1. Then x minus 1 is what? 0. 0 square is 0. Minus 0 plus 10 is 10. Like that. Suppose x minus 1 the whole square is infinity. Outside is minus infinity. Minus infinity plus 10. That's also minus infinity. But infinity you can't take it as exact value. Look at this chart. The value keeps on decreases. Therefore, there is no, I can't catch up one definite small value, but I can catch up one big value. What is that big value here? 10. Therefore, the greatest value, maximum value is 10. There is no maximum, there is no minimum value, there is a maximum value. Is it not understood? X minus 1 the whole square is positive number, but outside minus is there. Therefore, this may give any positive number, 0 including 0, because x minus 1 the whole square is greater than or equals to 0. Okay, therefore it may be, this is positive but outside minus, because this may be use minus 0 means 0 or minus 1 or minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 like that. As this number keeps on increases, then total value of this function keeps on decreases because of this minus sign. Therefore, there is one maximum value for the function, no minimum value for the function. Maximum value of the function is 10 when x minus 1 is 0. X minus 1 is 0 means x is 1. Okay. Therefore, again same thing. The explanation is, so here x minus 1 the whole square is always greater than or equals to 0. When multiplied by minus, you know that when minus is multiplied, inequality reverses. Therefore, minus of x minus 1 the whole square is less than or equals to 0. Therefore, the minimum value of x minus 1 the whole the maximum value of x minus 1 the whole square is 0 and plus 10. Therefore, totally the total maximum value is 0 plus 10 is 10. Therefore, because the chart side equation. Therefore, f of x is equals to minus x minus 1 the whole square plus 10. If it is 0, x minus 1 is 0, then it is 0 plus 10, that equals to 0. It is minus 1. X minus 1, it is x minus 1 value. So, okay, x minus 1 the whole square value. Minus x minus 1 the whole square value, this column. Okay. This column, I have taken the value of x minus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 is possible because suppose x is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 square is 1. Then minus outside, minus 1. Then it is minus 1 plus 10 is equals to 9. This is 2 say. So, 2 value is also possible because suppose x is what it is. Root 2 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. Root 2 whole square is 2. And 2 minus 1 minus of minus 2. Minus 2 plus 10 is equals to 8. So on. Therefore, so there is a maximum value. Therefore, f of x is equals to minus of x minus 1 the whole square based on numerical. Actually, these are all not necessary for theory examination. 1 second on derivative test is there, that's enough. But for CT, these are all very useful. So f of x has maximum value at x is equals to, keep this, at x is equals to 1, at x is equals to 1, and maximum value is at what point it will be maximum. So this is minus of a positive number, no? Therefore this number is minimum automatically. So 10 will be deducted by minimum value, then automatically you are getting the maximum total. The maximum total is 10. This minimum value of x minus the whole square is 0. Therefore, the minimum value of minus of x minus the whole square is 0. Okay. Therefore, the maximum value is what it is? Maximum value of f of x is 10. Okay. Now coming to the g of x is x cube plus 1. Next problem. G of x is equals to x cube plus 1. X cube plus 1. Outside it is raining, therefore there may be some disturbances regarding the voice. G of x is equals to x cube plus 1. Let us take x belongs to all our polynomial functions. All our polynomial functions. For the polynomial function, the domain is R, means x takes the set of real numbers. The values taken by x will be any real number. X belongs to R. Domain is set of x's. X is any real number for the polynomial function. Okay. Polynomial is equation in x only, not sine, cos, etc. This is for polynomial function. Okay. Let us take some x values and g of x values. X is 1. G of x is what? G of x is equals to x cube plus 1. So it is 1 cube plus 1 is 2. Okay. X is 0. It is 1. Minus 1. First of all, let us take some minus values. Okay. Minus 2. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1. That's equals to minus 7. It is minus 1. Then it is minus 1 cube is 1. 0. It is 0. Then 0 cube. 0 cube is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 cube is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 cube. Next is 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So, x belongs to R means, it is equals to minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity. Therefore, so here, so when it is minus infinity, automatically the function takes maximum value. Next takes plus infinity, then the function takes. So as x is positive, the bigger as x takes positive values, then f of x becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. So as x value is positive and it is x value gradually increases from 0 to 1 to 2 like that. And f of x also gradually increases. What is the maximum positive value? Is infinity not possible. So when it is infinity, value for greatest value for g of x. But it takes infinity. So what is the just little bit smaller number than infinity? Not possible to calculate. Little bit smaller value as compared to infinity, not possible to calculate. So tell me a number, greatly less than infinity, not possible. That's why, so you can't, but it is get a maximum value. When the as x increases, f of x value also keeps on increases. X decreases, f of x, g of x value, not f of x, g of x value keeps on decreases. But I can't catch here one greatest value of x. One greatest value of x. You can tell 1 lakh. Now 1 lakh, even one more value, number of values greater than 1 lakh is there for x is equals to 1 lakh. 1 lakh, 1 is also greater than 1 lakh. That's why you can't catch up on greater large value for x in the interval of minus infinity to infinity, and you can't catch up to small values for x also. Therefore, the function has no maximum and no minimum. So here comes the result in the open interval. This is open interval now. The function may have what it is extreme values. Extreme is maximum or minimum. The function may have extreme values or may not have extreme values. Function is open interval only. Maximum value ಬರಬಹುದು, maximum or minimum values ಬರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಬರದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು. Look at the previous two example. Here also x belongs to R minus simple polynomial function. But for that function there is an extreme value. That is the maximum value is there. No minimum. Extreme and maximum ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ minimum ಆಗಬಹುದು. Therefore here is our note. For an open interval, the function may have at least extreme values or may not have extreme values. Okay. Therefore, like that. So what we have to conclude here, as x increases, f of x value, g of x value increases as x decreases from the chart. X decreases minus 1, minus 2 is smaller than minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 to minus 2 go the value 0 to minus 7 value also decreases. That's why. So we can't catch one minimum value for x and one maximum value for x in the interval minus infinity to plus infinity. Therefore, we can't get a maximum value of g of x and minimum value of g of x. So, therefore, as x increases, let us conclude like this: as x increases, upward arrow indicates increases. G of x also increases. This value of g of x also increases. As x decreases, g of x also decreases. X2 is the 1 number. G of x value 9 in the 2 will decrease. 1 in the 0 protects. G of x value goes from decreases from 2 to 1 like that. Okay. As x decreases, g of x also decreases. Since not possible to, it is not possible to get one minimum value and one maximum value for x. Not possible to get smallest value and biggest value for x. X belongs to which interval? Minus infinity to plus infinity. Then you biggest value of x is minus infinity plus infinity. Not possible. In infinity, x won't take infinity. Open interval. Slightly less than infinity is the biggest value for x. But which is that? Not possible to tell. Similarly, smallest value for x is minus infinity. But x won't take minus infinity. A little bit smaller than minus infinity will be the smallest value. But not possible to tell. Therefore, you can't catch up smallest value and biggest value of x, even though the function has that tendency of as x increases, g of x value also increases. As x decreases, g of x also decreases. So you can't catch up on smallest value for x and the biggest value for x. Therefore, it is not possible to get the biggest value for g of x. There is no maximum. There is no smallest value of g of x. There is no minimum. The smallest value of the biggest value for x in it. Therefore, the function has no maxima and minima. The function has no maxima and minima. No maxima and no minima. Suppose the domain is truncated. That's why I will give the notes. Note I will give. Okay? Note. Some unnecessary theories are there, not unnecessary. CET point of view, this is important. So those theories are good. But the maxima and minima CET questions ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So maxima and minima ಮೇಲೆ CET questions ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Latest time. Okay. ಬರ್ತಾನೆ last 3-4 years CET ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು question ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ on maxima and minima. It has not even a single question on this. On maxima and minima in last 3-4 years CET question paper. Okay. A note. So take a note. in an open interval, of for x, in an open interval for x, that is x belongs to open interval a to b, there may be extreme values or there may not. The function may have extreme values maximum or minimum. The function may have, the function may or may not have extreme values. Extreme values means maximum or minimum values. May or may not have extreme values. May or may not have extreme values. May have extreme values or may not have extreme values. Okay. May or may not have extreme values. The function may have extreme values or may not have extreme values. For example, in the example 3, g of x is equals to x cube plus 1. X belongs to the open interval minus infinity plus infinity. Open interval. X belongs to R now. All the polynomial function domain is R. The function have the g of x has no maxima, no minimum. The function g of x is the function. G of x has no maxima and no minimum. But does not mean that in the open interval there will be no extreme values. May have extreme values or may not have extreme values. But take the example f of x is equals to, well, in the example 2, in the example 1, f of x is 2x minus 1 the whole square plus 3. 2x minus 1 the whole square plus 3. X belongs to R again. Here, x polynomial function. Equation in x is called polynomial function. Okay, not trigonometry function. Sin cos will be there. So it is not a polynomial function. I am repeating what you meant by polynomial function for lag at the time. First year, almost here the lag for an exaggeration. Actually, the number of times it is repeated. F of x is equals to a0 an x raised to n plus a1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a2 a1 a2 a3 are the coefficient, a3 x raised to n minus 3, like that. So 1 plus a in a polynomial function. For example, f of x is 3x cubed plus 5x plus 6, the polynomial function of degree 2. F of x is equals to 4x raised to 4, 5x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus 6 is the polynomial function of degree x raised to 4 is that is 4, like that. Equation x is polynomial function. Okay. But in this example 1, f of x is equals to x minus 1 the whole square plus 3. Here x belongs to R, again open interval minus infinity plus infinity. It is having one minimum value, that is 3, no maximum. May have extreme values or may not have extreme values. So here f of x has, and here f of x has the maximum value, minimum. F of x has the minimum value. Has the minimum value of f of x is equals to 3 at x is equals to minimum value 3. With the minimum value we got that f of x is 3 at x is equals to 1 by 2. No? Therefore the function may have extreme values or may not have extreme values in an open interval. But in a closed interval, definitely the function will have extreme values. But let's take one more. In a closed interval, for x, interval for x, x belongs to closed interval with a definite smallest value for x, the definite upper value for x, largest value, bigger value for x. In the closed interval, there is a definite maximum value for x and there is a definite minimum value for x. In an open interval, for example, in an open interval, take a simple open interval 1, 2, 3. But the maximum value of x not possible to tell. Not minus infinity plus infinity only. Even what it is in a definite closed interval, open interval 1, 2, 3, 6. You can't tell me on the exact maximum value for x, largest value for x. Not possible to tell. You can tell 2.9 and x1 takes 3. No, here open interval x1 takes 1 and 3. 2.99 is the biggest value for x. Oh no, I am telling that 2.9999 is one more biggest value. One may argue 2.999999 is also bigger than 2.999. And one may tell 2.9999995969 is even bigger than 2.59s. Okay, so that's why. So even smallest value for x is also not possible. You can tell me x1 takes 1 here. 0.99 is the smallest value. I am telling that, not 0.99. So 0.999999 is very close to 1. That is the smallest value. Okay. So that's an open interval. Not possible to get one or smallest value and biggest value for x. Okay. In the interval a to b, in a closed interval for x belongs to a to b here, the biggest value for x is b, smallest value for x is a. Closed interval you can catch up on what it is in biggest value and smallest value for x. Okay, in a closed interval for x belongs to a to b, there will be extreme values. Extreme values is maximum value and minimum value. Extreme values for the function f of x. In the above example, for example, read the book for further what it is. Theory clarification. Just read the textbook. Okay, I'm suggesting just read the textbook of this topic for CET and NEET examination point of view. Something examination point of view, all these are necessary. First derivative test and second derivative test is enough. Okay. For example, in the example 3, g of x is equals to x cubed plus 1. If x belongs to the closed interval minus 2 to 2, look at the chart, then the maximum value of g of x minus 2 to 2 chart I had taken, no, x ranges from minus 2 to plus 2 I have taken in the previous discussion. Then maximum value of f of x is 9, minimum value of f of x is minus 7. When x is minus 2, the whole cube is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, it is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. Therefore, the minimum value, because x1 takes further smallest value, because x belongs to here, minus the smallest value of x is minus 2, biggest value of x is plus 2. The maximum value of g of x is, the maximum value of g of x is, oh my god, the maximum value of g of x is equals to a, x is equals to 2. At the boundary values only you are getting maxima and minima. And the closed interval is that. At the boundary values only you are getting maxima and minima. Okay? Generally. Okay, generally it is not hard and fast rule. The minimum at x is equals to 2. The minimum value of g of x is equals to how much it is? Minus 7 and x is equals to minus 2. Okay? Now coming to the next problem. H of x is equals to sin x cos x I have given by b. H of x is equals to h of x is equals to sin x cos x. H of x is equals to sin x cos x. Okay, sin x cos x, h of x is equals to sin x cos x is sin 2 times of sin x cos x upon 2 is divided and 2 is multiplied. 2 times of sin x cos x upon 2 is multiplied and 2 is divided. That is h of x is sin 2x upon 2. How? We know that here x also belongs to R. X takes any angle between minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. We know that. Okay, minus 1 less than or equals to sin theta less than or equals to 1. Theta is any angle. Here 2x. Okay. Theta is 2x here. For the problem, theta is 2x. Sin theta may be any angle. Okay. Lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Therefore, maximum value of h of x is sin 2x is 1, no? H of x is maximum value of sin 2x is 1. Sin 2x is equals to 1 at x is equals to pi by 4. Sin pi by 4. Sin 2 into pi by 4 is sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Sin of minus pi by 2 is minus 1. Okay. At x is equals to pi by 4. Therefore, maximum value of h of x is equals to, so this takes its maximum value is how? 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 because upon 2 is there, no? Its maximum value is look here. Its maximum value is 1, but upon 2 is there in the function, therefore 1 upon 2. Minimum value at x is equals to pi. This sin 2x is the maximum value, but h of x is sin 2x upon 2 at 1 ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಇದು maximum is 1. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ upon 2, therefore 1 upon 2. The minimum value of sin 2x is equals to minus 1. ಹೌದಾ? minus 1. Sin theta ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, minimum value minus 1 for sin theta and as well as cos theta, minimum value is 1. Theta may be any angle, 2x, 3x, x, 4x, etc. or x by 2, etc. At x is equals to minus pi by 2. Okay? Sin 2 into minus pi by 2. Pi by 4 into 2 is pi by 2. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Therefore, sin of minus pi by 4 is minus sin. Sin of minus pi by 2 is minus sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Outside minus. Minus sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. That's minus. Pi by 2 under x in a way. X is equals to x value is pi by 4. 2 into pi by 4 is x should be minus pi by 4. 2 into minus pi by 4 is pi by minus pi by 2. Okay. Therefore, the minimum value of h of x is equals to minimum value of sin 2x is minus 1 upon 2 is there. At therefore minus 1 by 2. At x is equals to what? Minus pi by 4. ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಕ್ಷರ ಹೊಲಸ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬರ್ತದೇನೆ, ಬಟ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಟಿವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ f of x is sin 4x plus 3. Let's see the time. Oh my god. Homework for you. Fourth one is, fifth one is homework for you. F of x is equals to mod of sin 4x plus 3. In short, I will only 10-30 minutes of remaining. The maximum value of sin 4x is 1. Therefore, maximum value of f of x is equals to 1 plus 3. That's equals to 4. Minimum value of f of x. What is the minimum value of sin? Minus 1 plus 3. That's equals to 2. So, at what point? 4x means x is equals to pi by 4. At x is equals to pi by 4. Not pi by 4, pi by 8.